How to check iPhone activation date. If you've ever wondered when your iPhone was activated, whether for warranty purposes or just out of curiosity, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your iPhone's activation date. So let's get started. First, we need to find your iPhone's serial number, which is required to check the activation date. Here's how to find it. Open the Settings app on your phone, then scroll down and tap on General. From there, tap on About. Now you should see your iPhone serial number. Tap and hold the serial number to copy it, or you can also simply write it down. Now that we have your serial number, let's head over to Apple's official website to check the activation date. Open your browser and go to https checkcoverage.apple.com. Now this is the official Apple website where you can check the status of your device. Paste or enter your serial number in the box provided. Now you may need to simply verify by entering the QR code or whatever. Now as you can see here, I can simply find my coverage and all the activation date, and that's it. Now you know how to check your iPhone's activation date, whether you're tracking your warranty or just curious. It's quick and easy process.